All right. I work on the forex way, the way to trade in forex. So right now we have the AUDUSD pair AU, and I'm just break y'all down to what I'm gonna be pretty much trading this week and how I see price going. So right now we are on the monthly chart, as you can see right here. You can pretty much see that it's been a downtrend for the most part. Um, straight down movement, retracement, straight down retracement, straight down retracement. One thing that I have noticed just with trading is like with pretty much with me is I love trading the patterns when it comes to retracement. I just feel as if I get a lot of good quality setups when I do that. Why did I do it like that? But yeah, when I see stuff doing like that, I love getting good trades, and especially with me trying to now move into pretty much doing more swing trades. That would be like pretty good stuff for me to keep adapting to my trades and my studies, my back testing. And plus with me doing like if I was to take these trades on the monthly chart, when the price break the trend line on the monthly chart, you can see that these would be like massive pips, and there's a whole lot of possibilities that you could be able to get in trades. And if you would drop down to the smaller time frames, of course, that'd be a more detailed description. But anyway. And a little disclaimer, y'all, I can't talk that well. I be stuttering, I be talking a little too fast, so just bear with me. I'm working on that. But so on the weekly, on the monthly, like I said, you can see that it been pretty much going down. And I believe you can see that it had pretty much broke below this low right here, and you can see like a little wick, a little small rejection, and you can also see the trend line that it had broke. So like I said, just previously, the trend line already give me great confirmation, and when that confirmation it give me great targets for me to make my base my trades on. You can see this low right here can be a target. This on these low right here will obviously be a target that I had already marked out, and you can also see that I already had marked that out, but on the weekly, well you can see that on this time frame too. That price has tweaked up, came back down, so it had taken the sell side liquidity and crash down price. Now let's go down to the weekly so we can get like a more detailed analysis. See, price actually looks so damn clean on the smaller the bigger time frames. If I was on like the hour 15, it'd be so much wicks and stuff. So I do think there's gonna be like a better outcome and just more calm, more time of trading for me. So we'll see. So like I said, you can see the trend line break, price took the liquidity, shot down, broke between this low, had a fair value gap, it shot up and filled in that whole fair value gap as you can see right here. I should have marked that out. I'm gonna mark that out to be honest. Cause that'd be very, very key, probably in the near future. Let me see. I normally use MetaTrader. I don't like that was my main like way of trading is my MetaTrader. Let's see. Another weekly fan. No, that was resistance. But when I did go on TradingView, it was just for like the special indicator that came with TradingView. But you know, now with me making these videos, see, I gotta like adapt to doing stuff like this. But cool. So yeah, this the weekly fair value gap. That also was a whole nother confirmation. I wish I got in the trade like when I seen all this happening, but I was paying attention to so many different trades and charts and stuff like that, trying to get stuff going. So um I definitely understand why I missed these good trading opportunities. But also, you can still like I see you can still see the lows that where I am anticipating price to get to. I'm not gonna really mark these out right now on a weekly. Maybe when I get down to the daily or 4 hour, I might mark the lows out just so we can get like a more detailed reason for me taking the trades. And this like based off price action, I just like it just looks so clean. Broke up, took the liquidity, shot down. I would classify this as a market structure shift. Some people may classify this as a change to delivery. When they come to down stuff like that, I do get a little bit confused and stuff like that, just because it be seeming a little bit similar. But I'm pretty sure the more I'm do these videos, I have like a better understanding of just what it is. But I'm gonna classify it as a market structure shift, pretty much. But was that really taking by side? But that's how I'm looking at it. So we're gonna drop down to the daily. To the daily. I think it's gonna be a good week though for this trade, this pair. Really do. Now we on the daily chart, and you can just see like a more in detail, and you can see what price really been doing when it did take out the liquidity, how it did it, and you can also see like just the consolidation of it shot down. I be loving when I get in trades like these too. I know this was like a good opportunity, probably in like the London or New York section maybe. What time was it? I can't see the time. Oh well, but yeah. But you see the price action though? You see that? And ICT said like when it comes to like downward movement, you can use the up candles as resistance. You can expect those candles to be resistance as the market will try to go up. And this green line right here is this. Hold on, let me zoom in right quick. Let me zoom in. I need to get me a mouse so I can zoom in and move across this keyboard better. Come on now. Don't embarrass me. All right, so this big red candle right here. You see this wick? That wick right there. This green candle is the 50% mark of the wick high to the low. And if you are familiar with ICT, familiar with ICT, you know that when it comes down to wick on like higher time frames, a large wick is good to mark out the 50% because that can be used as great resistance or support when it comes down to trading, or just a nice area to keen setups off of. So yeah, that is the 50% mark of that. And this shaded box right here is this order block right here. These two candles, I put them together, and that'd be the order block. So I would be expecting price to come up here at some point and then shoot down. Let me see if I can get arrow. That would not arrow not right there. So yeah, I don't be on trading view like that. See, if I was on my motherfucking MetaTrader, I would have knew everything was already. But y'all gotta see me struggle a little bit. There we go. So yeah. Whoop. Not right there. There we go. So yeah. Let's get another one. And let's get another one. Ooh, there we go. Oh, there we go. All right, let's zoom out right quick. Let's zoom out. So yeah, pretty much let's see. Okay, today is Sunday. I don't know. Maybe this week, it won't hit these levels, but definitely this week I will be expecting price to come into this zone right here. And plus, you got another fair value gap on the daily also. So I'm gonna just take note of that also. Hold on, no, I ain't gonna do that. Let me find that again. There we go. All right, so I'm just note the daily fair value gap. It could also come into that also, but I really think it will tap in. I really think it's gonna shoot in this first. Cause you see this one right here, then you got that second fair value gap with the order block also. So I'm pretty positive. Well, I ain't gonna say positive, of course. I ain't even a pro like expert like that. But like ideally, I think it will shoot right here and then crash down, take out these lows right here, and soon reach that next shaded box. But let me see this retracement where it's at right now though. If it was to shoot up at this very moment, I don't think that's a fib. That was not a fib. Nope, that's a fib. See, I still gotta. Yeah, y'all know. Let's see. Ah, man, why? All I gotta do is just put the levels back. I thought it was gonna reset back. Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. All these levels of part one gotta be on here. 618, 7. Okay, so if it was to shoot up, it'll be at the 50. With it, for me to right here would be the 50 at right directly at the or the block would be at the 50 for the is to reach. Come on, man. Let me get this fib off. It's messy now. It's messy now. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. All right, bet. All right, so pretty much at this second fair value gap is the 50% retracement from right here to right here. So that's pretty much where I think price will reach before it crashed down. But of course, we all know it could pretty much reach right here, could reach the tip of the box or the low of the box, come crashing down. But that would I be expecting. Let's go down to the 4 hour before I end the video. A little bit more detail, a little bit more detailed. So yeah. I can't wait to get the mouse for this. All right. So. I feel like I should take that off. All right. Let me back up a little bit. You can see that we got like a little bit of support that these candles are respecting it a little bit. So that pretty much, of course, validates what I was saying, that I do want price to come up in here. I don't think I'll be trying to take any scalps for any bullish movement up there. I don't know, like the gambler in me want to, but with me trying to be more consistent and more like strict with my rules and stuff like that, I do want to sit on my hands and just really look at price, observe price, and just see how it reacts off these levels. But I really do want to take like a small little like a lot size of a trade and just see how it do, because this support just, like I said, further validates it to go up right here, filling this fair value gap and possibly filling into the other ones on the daily time frame. But yeah, I'm definitely expecting bullish price action for maybe 1 or 2 days. Then later on in the week, maybe seeing completely bearish price action, or maybe from most of the week seeing bullish, and then later on in the end of the week and beginning of the week, it will start to see the bullish trade play out. So yeah, we will be I will be updating y'all on the trade, and hopefully I can execute. If not, I would still pretty much just be updating just how it played out, just so we can see if I was correct, if I was wrong, why I was correct, why I was wrong, and we'll just take it from there. Thank y'all.